Hey everybody, it's Pete with Hydroblocks West and Drainage Technology Solutions. We're down in a deep trench in Northern California to show you another application for hydroblocks. For more information, go to hydroblockswest.com or drainage-technology.com. So in this case, you have a commercial building that has a lot of water intrusion happening. And so what we're doing is, and by the way, it had a French drain in here, which wasn't properly installed, and the pipe was just completely packed full of mud. So what we've done is installed two sump pumps, one at this corner, and you can see the water down there. We'll have another couple holes, a few holes drilled down at the bottom to allow more water inlet. And then what we're going to do is install a stormwater box down there measured to that section, probably about 5 feet long, 4 feet long. And then our 3-board run that's going to go, is bedding this trench, will lead into the stormwater box. That stormwater box will then be inletted into that pipe where there's a sump pump. Sump pump will take it all out. And so now let's go back. What we're also then going to do is, it's a little bit of a tight fit, what we're also going to do is then install hydroblocks boards vertically. And so those will serve to wick water down to these boards. The hydroblocks boards will be installed vertically and they will touch these boards. So what will happen is, think of a straw concept. There'll be straws wicking water, and that water will go straight down to the hydroblocks planks at the bottom of the trench, and they will then lead to the sump pump basin. This is going to be a kick butt, well, you know the word, kick butt solution for this property owner, and he's been getting water intrusion for years. And you know what, after we excavated what was in here, it was pretty easy to understand why he was getting water intrusion. So for more information, go to hydroblockswest.com or drainage-technology.com for more information. Again, here we are, another great application for hydroblocks, and it's going to be a heck of a solution for this guy. And so that's it. Again, 3 boards down, going into a sump pump there, 3 boards down, going into a sump pump there, and then we will have hydroblocks boards installed vertically to serve as straws to go down straight to these boards at the bottom of the trench. And that's it.